Now, let's apply these Copilot AI skills and modern CRM capabilities in a customer service scenario. We'll use a real-life example following a local government and its citizen support services. In our scenario, a citizen notices a fallen tree in a park and wants to report it for removal. Right off the bat, the city's website offers an integrated customer experience based on Creatio service product. To deliver exceptional service to citizens, the service department leverages an enhanced chatbot delivered as part of the energy release. This chatbot intelligently gathers the necessary details and interacts with customers using business rules and AI. It can guide users through predefined processes, provide helpful information, escalate to live agents, and more. Here, the citizen reports the fallen tree through the chatbot, which automatically registers the case in the system and notifies the appropriate service team based on pre-configured routing policies. This level of automation significantly reduces the time spent on administrative tasks, enabling the service team to prioritize cases in real time. Following the notification, the responsible service agent opens a submitted case in Creatio and immediately invokes Copilot for assistance. With Copilot and the AI skill case summary, the service agent can quickly receive a snapshot of the chat interaction, including the exact time and location of the incident, potential duplicate cases, and other useful data. We can also see how the sentiment analysis AI skill suggests a sentiment based on conversation. This helps the agent deliver a more empathetic service to our citizens. After the call is finished, the service agent uses Copilot to seek help with resolving the case. In an instant, Copilot can generate working instructions with references to existing playbooks and best practices from the knowledge base. Copilot produces a step-by-step guide on how to resolve the case. Along the way, Copilot can further help by generating an email request to the appropriate department for tree removal. Wow, it looks great. And of course, we can use the same AI skill to create a personalized thank you email for the citizen once the tree is removed. Let's summarize what we've just seen. We've demonstrated how the Creatio Energy release used Copilot to enhance service teams' ability to resolve customer cases efficiently. Using a real-life example of a local government services, we saw how we could use AI-driven chatbots and apply Copilot AI skills to receive chat and call summaries and determine customer sentiment. We've also streamlined case resolution by providing an agent with needed guidance, relevant knowledge-based materials, generating work instructions, and creating communication templates. Just imagine how much time we were able to save with this type of automation.